Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix failed to download or apply credential settings. Please check your internet connection in Roblox. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller. And under Geek Uninstaller site, select the download option, select the zip file and download it. After getting download done, select this folder icon, double click on the Geek and double click on the application and select yes. Search Roblox. Right click on the Roblox and select a force removal option and select yes. Make sure everything is checked and select the finish option to delete all the leftover files. Now just to close stuff here and open up new tab and search Roblox download and select the first link. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download and install the downloaded file. After the installation done, you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.